Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the elephant fruit from Super Mario. So let's get started. To draw this cute apple, let's first start by drawing the elephant's trunk. So I'm going to come right here and just draw a big curve for the top of the trunk. So nice and round. Go around and bring it down. This is a nice smooth curve. So now that I have this curve down, I'm going to come down on this side and work on the trunk part first, on the tip first. So let's come down, and then about right here, as I come down, I'm going to curl up. I'm going to curl up right here, and then we're going to draw the trunk, the head part. So right here, we're going to go out, and then we're going to wobble and come around just like this side. And about right here, we can go ahead and start to bring it down. So let me come back on this side, just easier for my hand. And I'm just going to go around and connect. I wasn't sure what to call this part, maybe the tip, right? So sorry if I'm confusing you. And so we're just going to connect it. Everything is nice and round. There, so I just want to draw that shape. Then from there, now that we have the trunk in, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So we're going to center the eyes, and so I'm going to come about right here, and we're going to draw an oval stuck right on top of the trunk, and then right next to it, so say about right here, we're going to draw another oval. There. And now with my two ovals in, let's give it a highlight with a circle right here, and then shade this all in. And same thing here. Make this a little bit fatter so my eye can sit on the trunk. There. Okay, so now that I have that in, let's go ahead and draw the apple. So I'm going to come to the center, come up, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, knowing that that's my center, I'm going to go ahead and go up right about here. So it's a little curve, and we're going to go up for the top of our apple and come around. So I'm just going to go around the eyes and the trunk to create my apple. So about right there. So let's go and draw the other side. And once again, we're going to go up a little bit and then come around. So approximately same distance as the other side. About right there. Then from there, I'm going to find my center again and come straight down and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I want to end my apple. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to draw a big curve, and we're going to come in as we come to the bottom. So it's going to get closer and closer to the bottom of the trunk. And we just want everything nice and round. So we're drawing the bottom of our apple now, and then once again, same thing on this side. So just take a look, and we just want to connect everything. So the bottom is a little bit flatter, and connect. There. Nice big apple, right? So just make sure you have this little dip right here, just to make it more of an apple. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the stem right in the center. So I'll come about right here, and I'm going to draw a curve coming down, and then right here, cut it off, and then bring it in. There. And then we're going to draw a leaf on this stem. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this very round leaf and come in. And I'll just add a little line right there. And then let's see here. Now before I forget, I'm going to come about right here, and I'm going to draw two curves. So one big one comes to about right there, and then another one that goes up slightly, just to break up the color on our apple. So I'm just going to drag this point across. So just approximate, same thing on the other side. And once again, up. There. Okay, so now that I have that, we need to draw the ears to make it look more of like an elephant. So let's come over here about in this area, and I'm just going to bring out curve. We're just going to draw a short little ear. So I'm going to bring it down, nice and round, and then about right here, draw one curve in, and then another one. So we just want it about here and going past this line. And then in this area right here, just draw a curve and break it off for some detail. So let's drag this point across so that we're approximately the same on the other side. And so that's about right here on the other side. So let's go ahead and once again, I'm going to draw this big curve. So I'm just trying, my goal is just try to make it about the same size. So about right there. And just remember, I need to bring this in, so I'll come right about here. This is easier for me. This closer distance, and then go ahead and just connect it. There. Okay, so now I have that side in. Now we have to draw the inside for some details. About right here. Just draw a curve and then taper it off. And you can draw this when you're coloring, but about right here, let's add a little bit curve right here and here. Just for some detail to make the trunk come to life. Just give it a little bit more 3D look. And that is pretty much it for this elephant fruit from Super Mario. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.